बाद में, घूमने के बाद में। ये you need to handle it with care. Come, let's go. We'll go this side. This is an organic farm. You need to be Whoa, whoa, whoa.
A little bit sticky down here.
Okay, let's go here then.
That's some great plan. Great plan for going this way. Please find some food or something. There, here where the ants are going.
Oh, I see. Those ants are staying here.
Did you put this?
No, 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 no. Chabu, don't disturb them. These are red ants. They are dangerous ants. If they bite, then it'll be difficult. Come. Come, can you take this?
Wait.
Let's go.
Oh yeah, this is also.
Oh, where are you going, Chabu? Look at every subscribers. Look at the monkey. Subscriber, look at the monkey. देखी सेठी स्नेक थी वो जो थी ना. Come here, come here. Come back. Please come back, Chabu. सेठी जान नहीं.
That was not red ant. These are red ants.
Okay, let's go. Lead the way.
This is about this one?
Yes.
Come on.
सेठी जान नहीं सेठी चबो. थिबो कोडी स्नेक नेक वाइट कर दो वहाँ.
I'm going always to the snake area.
Yes, but if you are not careful, bite कर दो चबो. It's not funny. Okay, then go to the hospital and don't tell me.
There was something over there.
Come.
No, that's perfect to go. Oh, look, there's something on there.
Chabu. Ah.
See that? Ah. The bug flew to me. Do I know how to get there?
That house there, is that a restaurant?
Bro, John's staying there.
What is that?
Staying there. John family staying.
Oh, family. It's like owner family or accommodation like rented?
Owner family. John is owner.
John is owner. Oh, okay. Their family stays there. Oh, okay, okay. And you also have accommodation here?
Yeah.
People can stay here also.
Volunteering, and if you want,
If somebody wants to do a night out with family and all, is it safe enough to do it here?
yeah, bro.
Yeah? How do you book?
In Google.
Online.
Online. Call to John.
Call John and book.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What is your name?
Kalyan, bro.
Kalyan. Thank you, Kalyan.
I'm coming down.
Be careful, Chabu. Don't climb there. Get down.
Okay. Wait. Yeah,
But there are tables and all, but it is only for that family only, right?
Stable?
There, I saw that it felt like a restaurant.
No, that one is house, bro. Not restaurant.
That is not a restaurant, okay.
House.
House.
Yeah.
Okay, they had tables and all put, so I thought, okay.
Yeah, it's a house.
Eating facility is available here?
Yeah, bro.
Eating is also.
Cook is there. Tell them.
They will cook. Okay, okay. Cool.
There is a bog. You see?
Oh.
There look hydration.
Yes, that's I think water station. Where is the water station?
Here. Here is not water station. Here is climbing station. There is that spider web. Do you think there is a spider over here? I literally saw a spider web.
There is one higher and higher. Let's see how high you can jump. Let's show the subscriber how high you can jump. Look at the subscriber. Higher, higher, higher. Take your foot. Oh, take your foot. Hey, dirty stuff don't pick up. Take your fruits.
Don't drop it. It's on the beetle.
Come.
I saw the freaking beetle. And I dropped his foot.
We had a good time here, so you can come here, spend couple of hours. I think there is a cook also available if you want to order something, especially I think pizza or something they have. I saw pizza oven, and you can have a good time, especially if you love nature and you have kids who love playing with nature, playing with it's a big farmhouse with different type of plants and
Different types of poties.
and bugs. They have also tractor ride. I think today it's not there. So yeah, it's definitely a good place to be in, especially when the weather is nice. You can come here and have some fun. An hour or two is more than enough. Then you can, I think that's enough to. They also have a stay. You can call John. His number would be available on Google, and then book your stay here. And I guess the stay would be also very nice, considering it's a little outskirts and very peaceful and serene. You're definitely going to have a blissful time here if you stay overnight.
Dada, can I get some fruits?
Of
The dogs
course.
are back. The dogs are back.
Oh, this is a nice dog.
Yeah.
What's your name, Mr. Dog?
I think his name is. Should we name him Whitey White?
It looks like a dingo. I don't know which
Should we
breed
name
this
him
is.
Whitey White?
Whitey White?
Yeah.
Are you a dingo?
I don't know. It's some other like Pluto or somebody.
Okay.
Dada, get the fruit.
Oh, they have also archery. Maybe I can give that a try in some time.
The dog is sleeping.
We'll try the archery, Chabu, in some time. Look at the pond. Look at our 4x4. That's there. Something got stuck on my leg. Yes.
Come get me from the trampoline. I'm jumping in one sentence.
Look, subscriber. How Mr. Chabu is enjoying his time here. He's jumping like a tadpole.
I'm a frog.
He's jumping like a frog.
Ribbit. I'm a kangaroo. Boing, boing. But both of the dogs are sleeping. One wake up.
Do you come? We wanna try Chabu, archery. Come.
Get me now. The different putties here too.
Let's try archery. No, let's try archery. You take out the bow. Take out the bow and arrow.
This is gonna be silly. Yeah.
Or you record, I'll take out the bow and arrow.
Okay.
Hold it. See, you have to record, you have to hold it here. Yes. And look, you have to bring me in the picture.
I can see you there.
Okay, that means that's good. And now,
Yeah, it's a little bit dark and I can see you.
okay. Are
Yeah.
you ready?
Yeah. Muntak, I'm gonna shoot at the place.
Oh,
Oh, I got the shooting on camera.
super.
My turn.
Your turn.
How do you? Where's the hole you put it? Where you put the hole?
There is no hole, you have to hold it. You hold the, I'll show you.
Ah.
Okay.
You can do it.
Wait. Wait, come here. Not like that, come here. I'll show you. Yes, that's good. Come. Come here, come here, come here, come here.
Big ratty here.
Are you ready? Come. Hold it here. Here. Yes, like this. Ready?
Yeah.
Shall we do it?
Yeah. Another cap.
Yeah, that's fine. Ready? 1, 2, leave it. Oh!
The timer exploded.
Get the arrow.
Happy. Bang.
Take it. Hey everyone, this is the entrance gate for the Hamsa farm. It doesn't look much, but it's a good place to be, and it's a good place especially if you love nature and looking for a place nearby. So come and have some serene time, some peaceful time. And here is Jabu.